Hi, I'm Jim,
I'm Karen.
and we do slow travel across the globe.
Yes, we do.
We certainly do.
We're in Dresden, Germany, and we are celebrating Jimmy's 70th birthday.
Rubbing it in.
The video you're about ready to see is his celebration day. And we hope you enjoy it. And if you wait to the end, we'll give you a full cost of what the day cost. We'll give you a full rundown on what the day cost and see if he's worth it. I don't think so, but we'll give it a whirl.
Okay.
All right.
See you in a little bit. Well, it's June 24th. It's a public holiday for me, at least. It's my birthday. Karen's taking me on a boat or a cruise. We're not sure what boat it is, but we may get into a random boat.
I think
and
it's
just
a rowboat.
hope for the best. Yeah, it may be a rowboat. After a short walk, we're in front of the boat. We think we're going to sit on the top if we're able to. We got here 45 minutes early. So,
People are already lined up.
What river is this?
Elbe?
The Elbe River.
Is El
People are already lined up to get on. I think they're all coming in to celebrate my birthday, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Big holiday in Germany. And figure to get up close to the boat, or ship, I guess, and get a close-up of the Leipzig.
Well, it's Jimmy's 70th birthday, and we made it on the ship, and we're heading to Pilsnitz Castle for the day, and have lunch over there, and it's hopefully a 6-hour cruise.
It was 8 hours.
8 hours?
Hopefully. Yeah, I think it's 8 hours. I think we spend 4 hours at Pilnitz.
Yeah, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6. No, it's 6. It's an
It's
hour
6 hours,
there and an hour back.
Okay, so we got 6 hours total on this ship. I keep calling it a boat. I guess there's a difference.
It's a ship. It's a
It's a
paddle.
ship.
It's actually a steam.
It's actually a paddle boat.
It's a paddle boat.
So, okay, until later.
We had some absolutely stunning scenery along the way on the boat to Pilsnitz Palace. There's 3
Castles.
castles that
On
are
a
up
hill.
the hill on the Elbe. We also had the vernacular that we had actually earlier taken a ride up to the top,
And you'll see that in the next video.
which was really nice. This was a pretty interesting place. It was a
Water plant.
Yep.
Water plant built in the 1800s.
Hundreds.
And now
It
they
was
have
the first one.
the first one, yep. And now it has luxury apartments.
Would love to seen that.
We're going to buy one, I think.
And here we come up on Pilsnitz.
Pilnitz Castle or Palace, depending on how you
What we felt that
translate.
moment.
Yeah.
We
It
did have
changed.
a wonderful boat ride. We really did.
It was a little warm, but we're going through a heat spill in Dresden, but it was great.
Happy birthday.
Well, after an hour and 15 minutes on the boat, we finally...
Hour and 50.
Hour and 15 minutes?
50.
That's what I said, an hour and 50.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Yeah.
I don't pay attention here.
I know. It's the right way to do it anyway. After somewhere between an hour and 15 and an hour and 50 minutes, we arrived over by the island here. Which way do we go? That the way. And now we've got a walk to, is it Pilnitz Castle?
Yeah.
Pilnitz Castle. We're going to dodge the bikes. We got a brick wall, a stone wall here. And we're going to call this quits until we get closer to the castle. Pilnitz Palace is a beautiful riverside palace complex on the banks of the Elbe River near Dresden. Originally a summer residence for Saxon royal family, it combines Chinese-inspired architecture with Baroque and neoclassical styles. The palace is surrounded by extensive gardens, fountains, and parkland, making it one of the most picturesque royal estates in Germany. There's Karen.
My outfit matches. My
Yes,
earrings match my
She
watch
is an absolute fashion plate today.
I'm just telling you, this is a birthday outfit. This was a really cute area on the grounds. It's the King's Games. It was a carousel, and we got to ride around and try to hit the bells with the staff. I think I won.
And now we're in what we believe to be possibly the English Garden here. The English Garden was one of the most relaxing areas of the entire complex. There was birds and wildlife, and we enjoyed everything. And I took one of the nicest pictures of a duck I think I've ever taken in my life.
This is the Palm House. It had exotic plants from South Africa, New Zealand, and Australia in glass paradise. The Palm House is over 160 years old. It was absolutely stunning.
In the early 18th century, Pillnitz served as a play and pleasure palace of Augustus the Strong. He hosted lavish parties here.
We wrapped up our day on the grounds with a beautiful dinner, and it was delicious, and we had just a wonderful day before we headed back on the boat to head back to Dresden. Happy birthday, Jimmy.
Well, this gives you a little portion of what we did for the trip. It was a spectacular, wonderful, fun day. One enjoyable birthday for me.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm glad that we could share it with you. As we said, we're going to go ahead and share the costs. So can I do that?
I think we should.
Everything is in euro, so you can
convert it over
to whatever your dinero is.
Yeah, whatever your money is.
So I'll go ahead and break down the cost for you. The boat ride to and from for both of us was 64 euro. The tickets to the park for both of us was 16 euro. Our meal with tip was 65 euro. And we had drinks on board to and from. We had some sodas on the way there and water because we were very thirsty on the way back, 2 big bottles. And that was about $20 with tip, 20 euro.
20 euro.
So the total was 165 euro.
165 euro. You can do the conversion on it. But for a day like that, I think it was a fantastic gift.
I'm
and a
still
great
wondering
day.
if he was worth it, but I'm going to go ahead and go, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for staying in tune, in touch.
Thanks for sticking with us.
Thanks for sticking with us.
If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. You can subscribe to us on YouTube. And we also have a Facebook page called Slow Travel Across the Globe, the same as our channel. And you're welcome to join us there.
If you have any questions, just put them down or comments below. We appreciate it, and we thank you.
Say goodnight, Karen.
Good night, Karen.
Bye.